Variables. They're an essential part of Python and any programming language. A variable is a name that references or points to an object. You can declare a variable by writing the variable name on the left side of the assignment operator and specifying the value to assign to that variable on the right side of the assignment operator. Okay, so this is a variable. Okay, now this variable, let's give you a different example. No, in fact, let me create it first. So it's telling me to create it, and simple breakdown of variables is to the left of the operator, and the operator is equals. To the left of the operator, that is the variable. To the right of the operator, that is what has been assigned to the variable. It's what that variable currently holds. And a variable can hold multiple things at a time. So right now we're starting off simple. The variable will be called number and it will hold the value 5. Okay. With coding, software development, etc., there's a lot of copy and paste. So why not get yourself warmed up and get started and just start copying and pasting straight away. Alright. Copy that, stick it there. Equals 5, that's simple enough. 5, numlock is off. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so what we've done there, we've created the variable which is called number. Alright, and we know that because it has an equals, and to the left of it is the variable. This is the operator, equals. That can be different symbols, we'll cover those. And number is basically 5. Okay, that's what it holds. Now, what that means at this point is that those two are now both synonymous. Number is 5. So if I said to the system right now, give me the answer to number plus number, it will say 10, because it now sees number, that variable we've created, it sees number as the numerical value 5. That's what it's seeing. Okay, and variables, they're in basically all software and all software development. And I'll give you an example of this one, for example, number 5, let's say. Now that could be somebody's age. So you could have a website, and before you give access to that website, you want to take someone's age. So age is a variable. Generally, different people who you speak to should give you a different number when it comes to asking them their age. And you will want your software to do different things depending on their age. So let's say you only want to give access if they're above the age of 18. So the variable is age, they stick in 16, and your software will block access. It'll say, nope, you're not allowed in. So it's taken that variable, assessed it, and then reacted. And that's what the basis of like coding software development is. It takes information and processes it and gives an output going off the logic you've put into it. So it takes it in, goes to the instructions you've set, and then it gives an output. So that's what it would look at, and that's where it's using, in this case, a number as a variable. So we check that code is correct, so we carry on.